Napakagandang tignan. It's good morning, everyone. This is just like a paradise. Napakaganda. Ayan naman. Diba? Here is Arangkol, Nakluasoy 18, where I am working up there, 28th floor. It's very nice. And Front Beach. Ayan. Super ganda. Swimming pool.